Sorry.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Bill.
I'm Steph.
We are, well, you can reach us at xbsmortgages@gmail.com. If we say anything that seems to make sense to you or that we can do to help you out, that'd be really great. The topic today is why would I want to use a mortgage agent instead of using my own bank?
That is the question.
There's a lot of answers. I will say that, first of all, some of the clients that find their way to us have already been to their own bank and discovered they didn't like the answer they got. So that's kind of self-evident. But if you were just out there in the world and you wondered, hey, I think I want to refinance my house, what do I do? Well, there's a few things that we do that walking into your own bank, maybe they can't or won't do. So to compare us to the bank, I'm just going to role play with Steph for a second. And I realize I'm sarcastic and there's a lot of excellent people out there that work at banks, but we're going to make fun of them for a second. Okay.
Respect all you guys.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
I'm here to talk about a mortgage.
Okay, great.
Are you able to help me?
I can try.
Oh, interesting. My experience at the bank, we're going to reverse that one. And Steph's going to ask the questions. I'm going to tell you what I
Okay, maybe it was too nice.
Yeah. Be the customer. I'll be the top.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, how can we help you today, Stephanie?
I'm interested in getting a mortgage.
Oh, that's fantastic. I don't do that, but we have a mortgage representative that works for ABC Bank. Let me look at their schedule. We can get you in on Thursday next week at 2:00. Does that work for you?
I have to get back to you. I have to get a sitter. I have to arrange work. I have to come back then.
Oh, so you won't come on our time?
No, I'm busy. I'm a mom. I work. I have a lot of obligations I need to work around.
So, number one, more personalized service because we can be available to you.
Am I grabbing mine?
Yeah. I never delete a text until I've dealt with it. Number two, you want me to be the customer again?
Sure.
Okay. I'm better at being a jerk. It's one of the things that makes us work well together. She's so nice. So,
Hi.
Hey, how can I help you today, Stephanie?
I'm looking to get a mortgage.
Oh, fantastic. How about the mortgage agent is in right now? Would you like to speak to them?
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Knock, knock, knock.
I'm in. We're in the office.
Yep. Hi, I'm Bill. I'm the mortgage representative for ABC Bank.
Okay.
How can I help you today?
I'm looking to get my first mortgage or a mortgage.
Oh, okay. I see here that your client profile says that your credit score is a little bit below our standards. I'm sorry, I can't help you.
Oh, well, there's many reasons for that. I can get into that. I can go through it.
I'm sorry, you just don't qualify.
Oh.
So, reason number two, when you walk into your own bank, and credit score was maybe a bad example to use, but the point is that if you walk into ABC Bank, whichever the ABC is for you, where you do your banking, doesn't matter for this example, they can only sell what they sell. So if their credit criteria doesn't match you, if their lending criteria for where the home that you want to mortgage is doesn't suit them, if the kind of home that you have doesn't suit them, if the nature of the property doesn't suit them, if the amount of equity that you have doesn't suit them or their lending appetite, or if the rate that they're offering doesn't suit you because they only sell what they sell, those are all real. Now, the truth is that for a customer that wants to refinance their house, there is usually a solution. We just don't know which lender fits your situation until we understand your situation fully,
right, because
we deal with so many different lenders. Now, the answer might be that Scotiabank's the answer, and we can help with that. But if Scotiabank's not the answer, then maybe Rating Credit Union is the answer. We can help with that. Maybe RMG, which is a company that does only mortgages, is the answer.
Right.
Maybe your credit brings you into the B space where there's some company called Optimum is the answer. Maybe you have a lot of equity, but you don't have a job. Maybe a reverse mortgage is the answer if you're of an age old enough. And if you're not of an age old enough and you don't have a job, but you happen to have a lot of equity, or whatever the scenario may be, maybe there's a high net worth program with one of the banks that is the answer. or I say bank, lender is the actual answer here, because sometimes it's not a bank, sometimes it's just a
That's
lender. Maybe the answer is a private lender can help you. And those are all things that we can help with. So I would say that for a client that was able to walk into their own bank where their own bank was going to say yes, the advantage to using us might be in convenience, personal service, and some savings, because sometimes the rate that your own bank offers is not actually the best rate in the environment for your situation. I would say that people that don't qualify with their own bank need the suite of lenders that we can access.
Which we access, I would say roughly, depending, about 20 some odd lenders, if not a bit more.
Yeah,
So
that varies. There's probably that many at least available to us, but we get comfortable with what we get comfortable with too, because we know where they live in the lending space. And that's about all we have to say on that one today. If you have questions or comments, please reach out to us. And again, if we can help anybody out there, if this message is coming through and reaching somebody, I'm Bill.
And Steph.
Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.